Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today's just going to be a Sunday vlog. As you've already seen this morning, I did my daily bread. I've gone outside a few times with the dog. I've had breakfast, prepped my coffee for the rest of the week, and I started stripping and washing the bed, which I just pulled the blanket out of the dryer that needs to go back on the bed so I can finish making that. And I also started another load of laundry. I just thought I'd welcome you to this vlog. I'm gonna go finish making the bed. I wanted to show you the new table. Like I said, it's a lot smaller, but there is a leaf that I can put in it to extend it to an oval and it'll seat 6. But again, by myself, I don't really need a ginormous table. But my favorite part about this was the base, because most round tables have a pedestal base, and I really like this design. It was very different, and the light, almost distressed looking wood in some spots. But this functions so much better for me because I can actually walk around the table without running into something, which honestly is ideal because I keep all the dog stuff over here, so I'm constantly in and out of this corner. Like I said, it's a cute little table, but I think it's really pretty and I'm excited to have it. It does make a huge difference in the space because it's so much smaller. Yeah, so the bed is officially made and done. I'm gonna get ready to watch church here. Yeah, then we'll get the crock pot meal going because that needs to be done. So I will check in with you after church.
It's Easter week, it's Holy Week, and so many opportunities. I was thinking today, the Bible says no man knows the time of the hour that Jesus is going to come back, but there were a few Good Friday services that I thought it was right then. Like there's some about Good Friday. You are not going to want to miss Good Friday. Make sure you get here, bring somebody. It's going to be absolutely powerful. And then of course, Easter Sunday, it's not going to rain. But if it does, we got a plan.
The church is done. I'm gonna go ahead and get this crock pot meal in to cook for dinner tonight. I'm gonna show you the ingredients. I will link the recipe down below because it is something I found on Pinterest. But hopefully it's really good. I know I've mentioned it before, but one of my goals this year was to try one new recipe every 2 weeks. That way I could build up my repertoire of some new recipes and find things that I do like and don't like. So this is one of the ones I'm going to try, but I'll show you here in a second as soon as I pull out all the ingredients. So super easy. You need chicken, Swiss sliced cheese, stovetop with the savory herbs flavor, cream of chicken soup. I'm going to get out in a second, but a cup of milk, and then a 1/4 cup of butter that we're going to melt in the microwave. This is going, you're gonna put it on low for 4 to 6 hours. So I'm gonna let that go. I'm actually gonna tidy up, do the dishes from what I just cooked, and put away the things I washed earlier. And then we'll move on to the next task. There's a few things I wanted to get done today. I started spring cleaning the bathrooms and I just haven't quite finished them. So I do want to finish that. I have I think 2 tasks I need to get done in those rooms. But let me start here and then take the dog out because it's been a while with church. we're gonna go ahead and start on the spring cleaning. So I've already done the dining room and most of the kitchen. The only things that I needed still to do were to do baseboards in the both bathrooms, vacuum under the vanities. So I want to get those done because they won't take long. But the way I decided to do spring cleaning this year, because I usually try to do it all in one day, sometimes two, and then I would be killing myself and physically hurting because I do a real deep clean and then spray for bugs. But I figured this year I would do like 1 or 2 rooms on Mondays when I do my normal house cleaning. So I can do the normal clean and then just 1 or 2 rooms I'll deep clean. I started this last week. I was just so whooped that I wasn't able to finish it because I did kitchen, dining room, and then started on the bathrooms. So we're just gonna finish up the bathroom part, and then there's one thing I need to do in the kitchen. Done. Still waiting for the dryer to shut off to fold, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some lunch, and then I'll probably have my afternoon cold coffee and work on laundry. Hold my mop top up. Watching the Chosen series. I'm on episode 4 of the last season. I wanted to finish it this weekend before Easter because next weekend it's tradition for me to always watch the 10 Commandments. So I'm going to keep watching this, but I'm also going to go ahead and paint my toenails and my fingernails. Quite a bit later. It's a little after 5, so I'm ready to have dinner. So we're going to take a look at the food in the crock pot and probably heat up a veggie to go with it. I'm thinking green beans, maybe? Green beans it is with the casserole thingy in the crock pot. So let's get this dished up. I think I'm gonna wrap up this Sunday vlog. I'm just gonna enjoy my cookies and watch some more Chosen. But as always, I hope everybody enjoyed and I hope you have a blessed day.